Hey everyone, it's Janay, and today I'm coming at you with a new YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to walk around the pole and how to dress it up and make it look sexy. So if you don't already know, I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor, and here on my YouTube channel I pretty much just talk about all things pole. So if you're new to pole dancing, you're a baby stripper, whatever the case may be, but you want to improve your walk around the pole and you want to improve your overall performance, then definitely keep on watching because this video is for you. But before we even get into this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected there. And follow me on TikTok at Janay because I'm on there too. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so first we're just going to review your basic walk around the pole. So starting with the pole to the right of you, you want to reach up and grab the pole nice and high with your right hand. Make sure to keep your head high, your shoulders back, and keep eye contact with the audience. Now, starting with your inside foot, or in this case your right foot, you want to take a step and then drag your left foot right behind it right into the next step. And you want to keep repeating that just to get your basic walk down. Okay, so now let's get into the 5 ways that we can make this walk a little bit more sexy. Number 1 is feeling on your body. People ask me all the time when I teach them how to walk around the pole what they're supposed to do with that outside hand. You are supposed to touch yourself with it. So when you're walking, take your time, feel up your body, feel down your body, bring it around your face, your hair, whatever you want to do. As simple as it seems, the smallest details can make the most basic movements look so sexy. So definitely play around with touching yourself and making it super cute. Number 2 is flipping your hair. I mean, come on, let's be honest, we all love doing it, so why not? Everyone loves a good hair whip and you can't tell me that they don't. So definitely take your time to play around with this one. It's super easy to do, everyone does it. You can literally add it anywhere, whether you're walking, dancing, performing. Adding a little hair flip, hair whip will definitely give you some more sex appeal. Number 3 is spinning around yourself. Now, there's a lot of technique with this one, so I'm just gonna quickly break that down. So first you're going to grab the pole up nice and high with your right hand. Now the next 2 movements happen at the same time. You're going to be stepping down on your left foot and grabbing the pole with your left hand at the same time. Now let me show you how that left hand is going to grab the pole. You want to grab the pole down low in a reverse grip position. So twisting your wrist like you're looking at the time. Now you're going to turn around yourself on that left foot. And here's what the top hand is doing. And this is a very quick, subtle movement. Your right hand lets go of the pole and you twist it like you're looking at the time again, and then re-grab the pole, step down on the right foot. Now let's run through that a little quicker. Take 1 step with the right foot, turn around yourself on your left foot while re-grabbing the pole, and then put that right foot back down. Awesome. Now you have your turn around the pole, so let's move right along to number 4, which is taking a cute little double step. Now this one is super easy to do. All you're gonna do is take 1 step with your right foot, drag the left behind it, and then kick up with the right foot and step back down on the right foot again very quickly. So again, you're taking a step with your right, dragging the left, kicking up with the right, and stepping back down on the right. And this just gives you a little bit of variation when you're walking around the pole. It's something that's simple, cute, but still makes it sexy. And number 5 is to simply switch and walk the other way. So this is a super simple transition. All you're gonna do is switch your hands on the pole and walk in the opposite direction. It's super simple and super easy to do, and just another way to add some variation and sex appeal to your walk. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what my walk looks like when I put all of these things together. Alright you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if there are any other tutorials you would like to see from me. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss a thing, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected on there. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.